The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maryland State Police Department and the Metropolitan Police Department of the District of Columbia. An Amber Alert has been issued for 1-year-old Cesar Steven Martinez of District Heights. He is believed to have been abducted by his father, Julio Cesar Arriaza. The victim is an 18-pound Hispanic male with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect is 5 feet 4 inches tall and 150 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. He is believed to be driving a green Chevrolet Equinox with Maryland tag 7AG6950. If you have information about this situation, or if you see the victim, please call 911 or the Prince George's County Police Department at 301-352-1200.